Hey guys, I'm back with another mask pack to review. So this is another Ideal Care mask from them. That is five little different masks in one package set. So this one is Ideal Care Pure to the Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Clay Mask. So let me try this one. Okay. So the texture is very it really is like a clay. It's very thick. Let me apply this. Smell, it almost doesn't have odor, any smell, I guess. So there's nothing that actually bothers me to wear this mask on. And here's this thing. While the other mask contains, the amount it contains is almost the same for each one. But since this one is thicker than the others, I get to use more quantity, more amount of this clay than other ones, like what other one was there? The Take It Easy and the Ginger Aid and Bubbly. So I guess for this one, just about 2 or 3 at the most would be that'd be just it. It's like it's really thick and dries out super fast. And the texture is almost like a rubber, kind of rubbery. Okay, so since it's really thick, it didn't go that much smooth when I apply it. Alright, and let it dry. Now it's completely dry, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it off and come back. Hey, I'm back. So how it feels? It feels really good actually. I feel really clean and fresh, and it definitely is moisturizing. And like the surface, it actually does feel like it's cleansing the pore out. Seems like my pores got like a bit smoothened out. So yeah, I think I like it. I wish it had a bit more amount in it so I can use it for more times. Maybe I can purchase the full size of this volcanic clay mask as well. Like, I like it. I actually like it. So if you also want to try this one out, you can purchase this from Ulta Beauty and mimibags.com, I believe. So yeah, I think this one is good. So try it if you'd like to. So thanks for watching, and please like and comment and subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.